I've made the decision that Lux Handbag Lover is coming to an end. Hey guys, welcome back. All right, so today's video is a little bit different. I wanted to come back, and I have been a little MIA the past couple of weeks in terms of uploading, and I feel very guilty about that. And I wanted to make this video and just to tell you folks about where I've been and why I haven't uploaded. And I do have a very big update and change for all of you that I want to share as well. So thank you all again who have just reached out to me, even when I've been a little quiet on social media. But again, because I love you all and I want to really be real on this channel and tell you all and bring you into my space, I thought that it would be great to really sit down and have this chat with you. So it all stemmed from when I fell ill and I was really recovering. It took a toll on me. So ever since then, I've been, not as consistent. So I'm sincerely sorry about that. I have been recovering and I am better now, thankfully. But to be honest, since then, I have also gone through just some some difficult days. And, I have shared in my Get to Know Me and my very first video here on YouTube that I do suffer from very severe anxiety. And so it definitely ebbs and flows and hits me at different times and in different ways. And so for some reason, ever since I was sick and trying to recover and get back to 100%, and even now, I've had a lot of difficult mental health days. And that's really what it stems from, and why I've been kind of MIA, missing uploads and filming. So, honestly, there are some days where even though I get 8 hours of sleep, I wake up and I am super exhausted. I have no energy, and I just want to lay in bed. Days where I don't even go on social media lately. So I haven't been on Instagram or YouTube watching content. So again, I'm so sorry to all my beautiful friends who have channels I have not been able to watch, and I'm so behind on catching up on your videos. So I'm sincerely sorry for that. And then let alone to film and post on my channel. So, I know most people don't talk about this, and I even wrestled with the idea of coming on here and making a video like this, because it's so easy to, I could have just come back and done another fashion video or something and pretend that everything was fine, and I, just gloss over the missing days of content and, just pretend that my life is perfect. But it's not, right? Nobody's life is perfect. And I, again, want this channel to be, I want to be an open book. I am more of a private person, again, with anxiety. So I want all of you, I want to bring you all in and just bring you along with my journey, because every time I see a comment or your beautiful photos or videos or what you're doing, it just really brightens my day. I know I say that a lot, but it's just true. And I felt that I wanted to just tell you folks what has been going on with me, why you maybe haven't seen me post on Instagram or here on YouTube, wondering where I am. So I'm sincerely sorry if from your perspective it just seems like I fell off. But I haven't really been, I haven't had that motivation or that energy some of the days to even get out of bed, to do anything else besides my day job. So I just felt that I wanted to come on here and tell you all where I've been, why I've been a little MIA. But, with this new kind of week, and I think that there's been a lot of self-reflection for me, and I am motivated to stay on that positive track and road. Of course, there will still be days where I struggle, or I just don't have that motivation. So but I always try to post on Instagram and YouTube of like, hey, no video today, and I hope that that's okay, that I at least bring you all along, and that you don't I hope you all don't get upset with me for that. But I would rather provide content and film and chat with you, in this discussion on YouTube, when I can bring my best self. And, I just haven't been able to. So again, I don't want to make this a rambly video. I just wanted to let you all know where I've been. But I am back, and I am ready to get back on track, starting and going back to my twice a week uploads. So I hope you're all excited. I hope that you all forgive me for being very MIA and kind of falling off the track. It's just been kind of personal things going on. So with that, I truly want to just send a message to each and every one of you. I hope that you are all doing well. Again, we all have those days that are tough, and days and things that we go through. So I am sending you all of my virtual hugs, my virtual hellos, and I truly hope that you're all having a great week. Secondly, I have a really big update here on my channel. So I have made the decision, again, with a lot of self-reflection and, kind of being off YouTube for this past week or so and missing a couple videos. I am going to say goodbye to LuxHandbagLover. So what does that mean? So that means I am going to change and rebrand this channel. And so I'm really excited to announce that this channel and my Instagram will be changing to Tarina Monty. So it's just going to be my name, Tarina Monty. And the reason why I want to change from LuxHandbagLover is for a couple of reasons. And again, it's kind of related to why I've been gone, and the situation that I've been going through. So initially, if you don't know, I started YouTube 4 months ago, and I have wanted to start a YouTube channel for at least 5 or 6 years before this, but I've always been too terrified and too scared to put myself out there, and the fear of being judged, and like we all have those insecurities. So I finally did the plunge, or I said, okay, I'm gonna do it this year in 2020. But I wanted to really hide behind an alias. So, at first I didn't even want to share on my channel that my name was Tarina, because it's such a unique name. And so I made up, my alias LuxHandbagLover, which, is near and dear to my heart. I love it. And it has been really great. But again, I also want to weave in, so my content will not change here on the channel. So that's the main thing. It'll still be luxury fashion, unboxings, reviews, all of the fun, lifestyle, and then when we can travel, I'll do some travel. So the content itself will not change. Just the name of my channel will be Tarina Monty. And, I no longer want to hide behind an alias. Also, I want to weave in and be my true self. So, I'm slowly getting there, where my real personality, I am actually very goofy and kind of weird. And so, meeting and engaging with all of you who are so sweet, I'm feeling more comfortable being myself. And so and a lot of you already know my name is Tarina and call me, oh, Tarina from LuxHandbagLover. And oh my God, when you do that, it really just makes me so happy that I've never met any of you, honestly, in person, especially with COVID, and we're virtual friends, but to me, you are true friends. So I want to take off that facade. Not to say that the name LuxHandbagLover was a facade, but I just felt when I initially started my channel, I used it as a shield, right? To essentially, for me, kind of hide behind, right? Oh, I could just be under the, LuxHandbagLover. Maybe no one will know my name or who I am, or much about me. I'll just do certain things. But again, I want to be genuine, and I will update you more on how I'm feeling, or if there are bad days. Any advice that you folks have, I will be better about that and vocalizing that, and getting feedback and any support or words of wisdom that you folks may have, because I feel that I am a person who, when I do have those days, those tough days, that I will just, retract into myself, or I will just internalize it. And that's what I have been doing, and why I've been kind of absent. Again, I just haven't had the energy. I've just been so exhausted. My job has been really busy, so just working a lot. And then at the end of the day, making some dinner and then going to sleep, and repeat that. So, again, sorry if this is such a long video. I will try to snip it so it's not so long. But at the end of the day, those are my 2 updates. So number 1, I just wanted to tell you all where I've been, why I've been a little bit of MIA, and it truly was to take care of my mental health. I just haven't been in a good spot, and I've just, been trying to get through that. But I promise that I will be better about that, just vocalizing, asking for support, not just going through that alone. And I hope you all understand and are okay with that. And then secondly, I am saying goodbye to LuxHandbagLover. Again, I still am so grateful and thankful for you know, that name and the alias and how I've been able to use that for the past few months, but I am ready to break out even more for all of you. I really truly want all of you to get to know who I am inside. It's slowly getting there, but again, I'm actually a total goof, kind of weird, and I want you folks to truly see that. So hopefully over time, you know, and just for you to call me Tarina. That's my name. And I just want to be my true self on here. So anyway, I hope that was okay. Sorry, these last couple of videos have been a bit rambly, but I just felt that with being gone for so long, missing videos, being a little MIA on social media in general, some days I haven't logged in, I just felt that I wanted to be open and honest with all of you about where I've been, and why, because I felt that maybe some of you wanted to know or were curious. So thank you all so much. I love you. You're so amazing. Again, nothing in terms of content is changing, truly just my name. And I appreciate all of you who have reached out and helped me through this kind of rocky time, and for any time in the future for your support. I love you all so much. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.